Question number 28. Let ABC be a triangle with sides 51, 52, 53. Let omega denote its incircle. So if you have a triangle like this, incircle will be a circle inscribed inside the triangle. Draw tangents to omega which are parallel to the sides of the triangle ABC. So we draw tangents to the circle parallel to the sides. Let us say this M and N. So we have three new corner triangles. Let R1, R2, R3 be the in radii of the three corner triangles. So there will be another incircle here, and so on for every corner triangle. Let us say BC is A, AC is B, and AB is C. Let the in radius of the original incircle be R. In radius of this circle is R1. We want the largest integer that does not exceed R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now if the altitude of the original triangle from A is H1, this height will be 2R. So the altitude of this corner triangle will be H1 minus 2R. We have triangle AMN is similar to triangle ABC from AAA similarity. So the ratio of in radii should be equal to ratio of the altitudes, which is also equal to 1 minus 2R by H1. If we multiply by R, we get R1 is equal to R minus 2R square by H1. Similarly, we get R2 and R3. R2 would be R minus 2R square by H2, and R3 would be R minus 2R square by H3. So adding these three equations, we get R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 3R minus 2R square into 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2 plus 1 by H3. In the triangle ABC, we have delta is equal to half base into height. So from here H1 we get as 2 delta by A. So this expression becomes 3R minus 2R square into 1 by H1 will be A by 2 delta plus B by 2 delta plus C by 2 delta. 2 gets cancelled. We get 3R minus R square into A plus B plus C is the perimeter by delta. Delta is in radius into semi-perimeter. This becomes 3R minus 2R or R. So sum of R1, R2, R3 is equal to in radius of the triangle ABC, and in radius is nothing but delta by S. So here it is given that the sides of the triangle are 51, 52, 53. From here we get the perimeter 2S as 51 plus 52 plus 53, which is 156, or semi-perimeter is 78. So we have sigma R1 is equal to R, which is delta by S. Using Heron's formula, we get under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by S. This is equal to under root 78 is 13 into 6, 27 is 9 into 3, 26 is 13 into 2, 25 is 5 into 5 upon 78. This will be equal to under root 13 square would be 13, under root 9 is 3, 6 into 3 18 into 2 36, under root 36 is 6, root of 5 square is 5 upon 78. 13 into 6 is 78, so we get sigma R1 as 15. We are asked the largest integer that does not exceed 15, therefore 15 is the answer.